Subscribe to Anonymous Tech channel and hit the bell icon to get the future updates. So friends, in this video I'm gonna explain you how to set up Google Analytics for your YouTube channel. So let's jump into the video without any further delay. So friends, to set up Google Analytics to your YouTube channel, what you have to do is just open any browser and open Google. In the search bar, type Google Analytics. Click on the first result. So it's a home page of Google Analytics. Click on setup for free. So type your account name, whatever you want to type. So here I am typing YouTube channel. Just come below. Click on next. Select web here. Click on next. Here type your website name, means your channel name or whatever you may type, that doesn't matter. So copy the URL of your channel homepage. See there, I'm copying. So see there's a message, default URL is invalid. This time what you have to do is, so before that select category of your channel. So I select computer and electronics. See. Before that clear that error. So remove HTTPS over there. It's not necessary, right? So select HTTPS. There is an extra slash, remove that also. Select your country. Time zone is already there. Click on create. Select the country again. Click on that box, just tick it, or else you can read the terms and conditions also. Just after that, tick it. There is one more box low down, tick it also. I accept. See here. So that you will get your channel, Google Analytic ID. Click on no thanks. See there, that's your Google Analytics ID. So just copy that and paste it to your YouTube channel. Copy that. Without connecting Google Analytics and YouTube Analytics, you cannot get proper analytics in Google, okay? You have to connect that by this way. Click on YouTube Studio. Under settings, click on channel. In advanced settings, there is an option called advanced channel settings. Click on that. just swipe a little bit. So here we are. Swipe a little bit. See there, Google Analytics property tracking ID. Paste there and click on save. So there is a pop-up came, your changes we save. So this way you can connect Google Analytic ID with YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.